today we're going to be reacting to Nintendo Direct E3 2021 edition. We got our good friend Matt here to join us as well.
Yes. Hello.
We have literally no idea what to expect, despite discussing it forever.
AV is MIA right now, probably asleep.
If he hops in midway, that's fine.
Yeah.
But we don't got time. There is literally I keep refreshing. There's over 600,000 people
That's
here
insane,
watching.
dude.
Yeah.
People are desperate, and I don't blame them.
Twitch had 90,000.
Man.
Man.
It's gonna be insane. I talked about this with the other friend train members, but the people are forgetting that the pandemic affected literally the entire gaming industry.
Yeah.
So my expectations are not through the roof, like what you see mostly on social media. I'm still excited to see what they got cooking, but I won't be surprised if we get a lot of updates on games that we've already heard about.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. We'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, should be starting.
Literally, just give me a crumb of Zelda so people can stop talking about it.
Just show something Breath of the Wild 2 so Twitch stops complaining about it.
Please. It should be fun. 40 minutes, not bad. They said software, not hardware, people.
Here we go. It's starting.
Here we go.
Oh, man. They said games in 2021. You know most of E3's just been games for next year?
Yeah.
We literally know nothing about the rest of the year.
Alright. I'm thinking maybe Smash right off the bat.
It could be right off the bat. I remember they did that last time. It's been 2 years.
Today's Nintendo Direct. Hello, I'm Yoshiaki Koizumi, and I'll be your guide as well.
Anything's better than Nintendo's
Nintendo
E3 from 2015.
We don't talk about 2015. That's a forbidden year. That is a forbidden year.
Enjoyed by a wide range of players spanning all ages and all levels of gaming experience.
I could go off about that one.
Thank you all.
Oh, wow. Yeah, me too. Animal
Are you guys excited for Amiibo Festival Deluxe?
A wide variety of games on the system. Not just
Wasn't
for
We're here with more
Federation
but also
Metroid
from
Prime
many
Federation
development
Force
and
2.
Publishing partners. I hope that each of you watching this Nintendo Direct will be able to find a game.
See, that's what I like about them. They try to show games from almost every genre, dude.
We have news
Yeah.
on upcoming Nintendo
They try to cater.
and we'll be focusing on a selection of
I'm a man of many
this
tastes.
year. We hope you enjoy it.
Okay.
Oh,
Mainly
here we
this
go.
year.
Okay, to
Which
begin,
Sid already
please
said,
take a look
but-
at this video.
The double snaps? Is it Smash?
It says no. Okay, yeah, it probably is. It
Is it
says no.
Smash?
What is this place?
Or is it Zelda 35th?
Who's that? That's Ganon.
Hello? Human sacrifice?
Is that a Kum? This is
Are we getting a new
Tekken.
Zelda
This is Tekken.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's Kazuya.
Oh. It is.
Heck yeah, dude.
An actual fighting game character in a fighting game? An interesting choice.
Yeah, a lot of people are thinking Heihachi, but I know he was made into the Mii costume.
When it comes to Smash, I had no more predictions.
Yeah, I'm happy with this, dude.
I'll take it. I'll take anything at this point. There's over 80 characters. Wow.
He's probably gonna be broken like all of the other 2D fighters. Oh, there's Captain
Oh, he's
Falcon.
getting rid of the roster now. The next
Oh,
He's
There you go.
oh look, F-Zero dead franchise. Arms dead franchise. Kid Icarus dead
Bye,
franchise.
Min.
Fire Emblem? Alright.
Oh god, he's got a second form too.
Demon Kazuya. Or Devil Kazuya. I don't
Wouldn't be
remember the exact
DLC
name.
without a second form.
Well, he has this in the original games too, yeah.
I always meant to play it.
That's pretty fun. There's Heihachi.
Wow. Fighting character in a fighting game. I'll give him points for that.
Let's go.
Oh my god, Kirby, no!
Kirby! Not Kirby! Fly, Kirby!
He'll just jump.
Why?
Kirby didn't fight.
He's gonna blow back up.
That's already a meme. It's your boy Sakurai.
Masahiro Sakurai from Sora Limited and the director of the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate game. Kazuya Mishima
You guys
from the
don't let
fighting
me
game
sleep.
series Tekken will join the battle.
Surprise, guys! I haven't slept in 5
We'll go over the
years.
details at a later point, so please sit tight. For today, though, we've prepared a short video to showcase Kazuya's moves in Super Smash Bros.
Oh, they're doing it
Ultimate.
now.
Please take a look.
All right, all right. Oh, it's real quick. They'll probably do a more in-depth video like he always does. Well, I better not hear people complain about their anime swordsman.
Hey, he's not an anime sword fighter. He's just an anime fighter.
Ooh, Gates of Hell looks nuts.
It's a good representation.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I get excited for these days. All these moves, Jesus Christ.
I wonder if he'll have combos like Ryu.
Oh, I'm sure he will.
Ooh. The way he was just holding everyone at the beginning, I gotta watch that again.
This feels like Tekken. No, it's Super Smash
Oh,
Bros.
Sakurai, you quirky human.
We'll talk about the fighter more in a
We
future
love you.
presentation. We still have to record it first, actually.
I knew it. There's a separate video
The
coming.
air date is shown
Okay.
below. Please stay tuned.
People are saying there might be a second fighter reveal, but I don't know. In
I
this
would bank on
presentation-
just one.
Sakurai,
Yeah.
new fighter Kazuya will join the fight in Super
He looks
Smash
hella
Bros.
cool.
Ultimate.
Mm-hmm.
Please look forward to seeing how Kazuya, who has experienced many harsh battles across the Tekken series, will fight in this game. Alright, let's continue with our first battle.
Oh, the headlines. I love me some headlines.
This is Life is Strange.
Life is Strange.
I think.
Tales.
I've seen enough of Life is Strange.
Let's
after
say
Square Enix.
emotional supernatural, so that's the only thing I could think of. It might be something else though.
Oh yeah, it's something else.
It's a different art style.
Oh,
Oh, well.
Well, it kind of looks like it.
Those look like characters from the game.
Oh yeah, I think it is. I think it is. They gave it an anime trailer for some
It looks
reason.
better than the remaster.
Okay, just a quick summary. You know, we're not getting a 20-minute recap.
Well, we left that for Square Enix.
Now introducing Guardians of the Galaxy. For the
Oh, I thought
Switch.
it was going to be in that hand-drawn animation.
Look at all that scenery. Alright, alright.
I think I've heard good things about it. But
I was wondering if we would see games that we've already seen in E3, but now they're like, now it's on Switch.
September
Yep.
10th. And Life is Strange Remastered Collection.
just how there's a
on Nintendo
remastered
Switch
collection
later this
already.
year.
Oh my.
Dude.
There's something for
Very
everyone.
true.
Oh, maybe they're gonna
Nintendo
lump
Switch
all the... Oh my god, I was kidding.
Our Star-Lord.
So, okay, I am down for this. This is one of my highlights from E3.
Jump on a wild ride
Oh, okay.
I am curious for this game. I just feel like in the presentation they like spent like over 20 minutes on it.
You'll call the
But I'm still curious though, because it looks better than the Avengers game.
Oh, anything is better than the game doesn't even have 10% of its population anymore.
That's so sad.
Onto Nintendo Switch October 20th.
Single player and you control
Worms?
A new
Worms
Worms game?
Rumble, what?
It looks like we have to play this one.
You'll squish your invertebrate
3D Worms?
Ooh, its frame rate was just about as bad as I expected.
Yeah, too many explosions.
Yo, they're already doing like the rapid fire though. So
Oh,
probably
okay.
just spending more time on other. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was like, it's very different from the other Worms, of course.
I've only played like
that's
the.
going like 5 frames.
At an
The OG.
impressive
I've only played the
7.5
OG.
frames a second, dude. Let's go.
The fantastical
Ooh.
realm of Orcanon
It looks
awaits.
Yeah?
As you explore this fully hand-painted world, you'll customize a team of demigods and unleash
Oh my god, they've already shown more games than Square Enix.
Yeah.
Astria Ascending.
I can't believe it.
Nintendo Switch September 30th.
I must kill Chaos. This is
Where's Chaos?
Lost in Gromit.
Return to the funny, charming,
Yeah, My Hero Academia?
county. In the Wholesome Management Sim 2-Point campus, you'll build and run your very own university
Yep.
the way you want it.
I've never been one for these tycoon simulation games myself.
Empire to the next level. Enrollment for
I'll get as far as playing Animal Crossing, and I'll never touch another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't barely get into
There it is.
Monkey Ball, let's go.
Series rolls into its
Oh, I
first
saw the
Maybe
preview
we're gonna
this
see
morning.
this.
year.
I know, it got
Didn't get
spoiled.
leaked. I was curious, it said 20th anniversary. I don't know if this is like a mishmash of older ones or just a new one.
This is just a Smash reveal
Oh,
trailer.
it's the anniversary.
It's the last DLC. I mean, I'm down for a mishmash of older ones
go,
mixed
dude.
in.
Deluxe is like 1 and 2 with some unique courses.
Banana Blitz.
I've seen this game
Definitely.
speedrun way too many times, and it makes me feel really bad at video games.
I am awful at these
Oh,
games,
wow,
too, but they're
dude.
cool. Hello?
It's got courses from the old games.
The mini games too, of course.
I'm excited for this.
Oh, alright, yeah.
You can still
Party
jump,
games, my bread and butter.
Go bananas! Win Super Monkey Ball.
October
Banana
5th?
Mania.
That's
Rolls
good
on
to me.
Nintendo Switch, October
Return to
5th.
Monkey, October 5th. Mario Party 2?
Blast
Yeah!
Bros Pass, and you're invited.
Let's go!
It is.
Mario Party
Let's
Mayhem.
Super Mario Party 2!
Yes!
Oh.
Superstar collection of Mario Party boards and mini.
Oh, those are old
Superstars.
games!
Yeah,
Those are old
that
boards!
Live it up on 5 classic boards.
Oh,
from the Nintendo
wow.
64
My
era,
God.
including Peach's birthday cake.
They actually did it.
I saw this on
Each
Twitter
board is
as a
packed with zany
concept
events
last
guaranteed
night.
to keep you on your
Me
toes.
too!
And when we say zany,
They got the same dialogue.
Yes.
Dude, Channel Panic.
connect blocks.
Dude,
5
facelift.
boards yet again, but I don't
TikTok,
even
huh?
care.
Hand card havoc.
Hilarious over-the-top mini games. All of which support
No, look away.
Oh my god, Mario Party the top 100.
series
The top
Let's
100,
go.
but good, I hope.
in this all-star fun fest.
Online at
Little
launch?
party favor.
but not
Yeah,
board
it's
games,
at all
wait
game
3
worth
years.
it online.
Even if you're partying solo, you can randomly match with other partygoers worldwide.
Save your progress
Playing a
mid-game.
board game online with friends. Save your
Now they're
progress
too
mid-game,
generous.
Grab a snack.
Wow,
The greatest
dude.
day of my life.
It's everything we had always
They're
hoped
also
for.
available to communicate with others.
I knew there had to be another Mario Party, dude. The previous
Oh.
one sold like 10 million copies.
Launching on the
You
Nintendo
guys,
Switch
while I'm
System
at work, y'all watch that on Treehouse, okay? And tell me what it's
Pre-order
like.
begins today on Nintendo
Absolutely.
That's a highlight for me right there.
did you think?
Yes.
Same here. Party games are my bread and butter, dude. I have to.
I'd like to say one thing. Currently, we're working hard on the latest game in the
Okay.
Metroid Prime
What?
series, Metroid
Surprised
Prime,
they mentioned it.
which we previously announced. But today, we'd like to introduce another
I knew it.
Another Metroid.
franchise.
People think
A
it may be a
Metroid that's-
2D
Please
Metroid?
take a look.
A Metroid that's not Prime.
Yeah.
Hey, that's still good though for
I'm
the
glad they
fans.
mentioned it, though. Oh, it's not 2D. Maybe. Metroid 5?
Oh, it's continuing the timeline from the the 2D games. You know, people haven't gotten a proper 2D Metroid since like Fusion on the Game Boy Advance. I definitely feel for those fans.
It looks cool.
It looks cool. I tried Samus Returns on the 3DS. Honestly, not bad. Because Metroid is one of the only Nintendo franchises I don't mess with often.
Yeah.
But I know it's good. Well, I hope the fans are happy with any crumb of Metroid.
Yeah. It is 2D,
Yeah, it's what they needed, like a fresh new 2D one. Star, like this is Prime 5.
Why are you running?
What the hell was that?
Metroid
Ooh.
Dread. They call it Metroid 5 earlier, and then they just say Metroid Dread.
Right, because they're going with like the non-Prime timeline.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that uppercut was from Samus Returns. It was really satisfying. You just punched the heck out of everyone. Pretty nice, pretty nice. If this comes out this year, then yeah, 2021 is stacking up.
Yeah, dude.
Jesus.
So far, this is definitely my favorite presentation.
We're only 15 minutes in.
Yeah.
Metroid Dread.
I haven't
Treehouse
tried it
demo.
out. I mean, I like Metroidvanias, so why wouldn't I like this, right?
I enjoyed Samus
Hollow Knight.
Returns. Wow.
Oh, October,
October.
alright.
October is stacking up, fellas.
Yeah, dude, Monkey Ball and this.
I wonder what they're
And Mario Party.
And Mario
True.
Party.
New
Dude, my
2D
wallet.
game in roughly
My poor
19
wallet.
years.
I need to know what their Black Friday games are, because usually like that's their best time, favorite time to sell
Yeah.
games.
This is a Metroid
We got
game
Pokemon, I
with a
think.
new feel.
I gotta analyze that trailer to see if Mario Party 6 is
Scheduled
represented
to
in
be
there,
released
dude.
On October 8th.
I'm
It
so
won't be too long until
I think it's only Nintendo
on
64
that same
games.
day, we'll also be releasing a
That's
Metroid
fine, that's
for
fine.
Saturn
HD N64 is
and
something like they should have
the
done for
robot
ages.
scene.
Also Amiibo!
Let's move on to
Yeah, I like the Mario Party or Super Mario Party art style, so. Okay.
Familiar franchises are back on Nintendo Switch.
Let's go!
Ready
Not for the Wii this year, what do you
in the
mean?
latest Just Dance game.
I am the world's one and only continuous Just Dancer.
This is Brando's game.
You know what's funny? During Ubisoft's press conference, they didn't show any gameplay.
That's right, yeah,
Oh.
they didn't.
They didn't show anything, so we're finally getting tracks here. Yeah, that's a super popular
Dance
Spanish
Floor in
song.
Just Dance 2022.
Okay, okay.
Nintendo Switch, November 4th.
What?
Fortnite Rocket
The
League.
arcade smash hit
Let's
Cruisin'
see.
Blast is speeding onto Nintendo.
I don't know if I've seen Raw Thrills before.
Blast your way through nearly 30 over-the-top tracks.
I'll pass, but that's good for people who like this
Pick
series.
your favorite vehicle and hit the road.
Do you hear that theme song?
Cruisin' Blast launches as a console exclusive on Nintendo Switch this fall.
Dragon Ball.
It's the
Starlight's
ultimate
Metro- or not Metro,
Ball
Dragon Ball.
experience. Relive
Hey, I was thinking about
other
playing this
fighters
Game
through
Star.
4 sagas in this action RPG. Saiyan, protect the Earth from an invasion by Vegeta and Nappa. Frieza, take a stand against the evil Emperor.
Yeah, I believe it's already on, what, like PS4
Battle
and
the
everything
androids
else?
in a fight to the death.
Good representation, at least.
Epic showdown with the most fearsome.
Yeah, because I was like, I think I've seen that name before.
Along with the main
The
story,
game.
you can explore the vast world of Dragon Ball Z.
Can you tell that Dragon Quest is the same art style, Luke?
Or collect
Yeah.
goodies for delicious
From that
meals.
dinosaur?
You
Toriyama.
could always train to acquire new skills.
Yeah, it looks like it could be in
There are
Dragon
lots of things
Dragon
to keep you
Quest.
busy. The boss battle
There's
episodes, a
Beerus.
new power awakens.
They're pulling a Dragon Quest 11 by having the new content be Switch
Dragon
first.
Ball Z Kakarot, plus a new power awakens.
It'll probably
launches
move
its
over
way
in the
onto
future.
Nintendo Switch, September 24th.
There we go. I was waiting
Okay.
to see
Grab a golf
one
club
last
and
look
get
at
ready
this.
to tee off. The Mario Golf Super Rush game launches soon.
Bowser.
Here's a quick glimpse into each of
My
the
girl.
levels. Standard golf. Take your time to read
Good
the
old
winning
Mario
terrain
Golf.
on the
Less time
greens.
on tennis than I thought I was going to, so I hope this one makes up for it.
Yeah.
I have faith, dude, because there's a lot more strategy to this game. Tennis is just tennis.
Yeah.
And I feel like Speed Golf is going to give us a reason to keep replaying all the courses.
Yep.
Mario Golf Battle Royale.
Yeah.
Outpace your rivals,
Oh, the Ice
special
Flower.
matches and special shots.
They got a pretty good roster to start. If they pull a tennis and add more characters each month, that'd be hype.
Battle golf.
Golf.
That was
Let you
crazy.
die.
Over 9
Oh, look at
holes
that map.
in the
Okay.
filled arena.
Yeah, you gotta claim the 9 holes first, then you got the single player.
Golf
Yep,
adventure.
story mode.
Go
They've
for
confirmed
rookie
about like
with
6
unique
courses so
What the heck?
far, so that's a good 108 levels.
Dude.
Surprise you.
Why is shooting out AoEs in a golf game?
Oh,
There we go.
no!
I was waiting to
Games are
see
planned for
confirmation
future
of
release, including additional
updates.
courses and
That's cool,
playable
New Donk
characters.
City.
The fairways
I think this will be a pretty good one.
Set your tee time.
Yeah.
Me too, me too. I have faith.
In Mario Golf Super Rush, swinging onto the
June.
Nintendo Switch system.
10 days, okay.
Pre-order
All right, all right.
now on
I
Nintendo
guess a
eShop.
week
Next.
and a half. Monster Hunter Stories.
I knew this would pop up one more time. They had a really lengthy trailer yesterday for
Welcome
Capcom,
to the vast and vibrant world of
but I'm guessing this will just be a really quick look.
Yeah, I like the rapid fire style. Because we're only halfway through. We've already seen so much stuff.
You'll explore diverse
The
landscapes.
trailer was so anime, dude. It's nothing like Rise.
Gather materials such as honey and ore, then use them to
A
craft
cashew set. Gross.
I've heard the first one is like 3DS only, so I don't know if you have to play that first.
Yeah.
Probably not.
But others may
Oh.
suddenly ambush you.
I forgot her name, but she's
To
from...
fight, you'll team up with your monster
World.
and use weapons and skills to overwhelm
Oh, really?
enemy monsters
Yeah.
in turn-based battles. Win, and you'll be rewarded with their materials, which can be forged.
I've been having a blast with Rise,
This
as you
looks
already know.
kind of similar to the standard Monster Hunter art style, but I know... Or Monster Hunter gameplay, but I know it's different.
Incredible.
Yeah, it's got like that
Also
turn-based kind of
hatch
thing
from
that
rare
sets it
eggs.
apart.
Need more traveling buddies? Join up with friends for co-op multiplayer quests and battles. Buckle up, Ryder. It's going to
Nice
be a real
pun.
monster of an adventure. Monster Hunter Stories 2: Wings of Ruin soars
Okay,
to
okay.
Nintendo Switch July 9th.
Right, they announced a free
Complete the
demo
free
for
demo
people.
on June 25th
Okay.
and carry over your save data to the full game.
Yeah, these are usually taking up like a minute or two. I like how that works. WarioWare?
Here's a
Yes!
a certain company.
I guess it's true.
I did, Wario, I did!
Hey, what do you mean? Who am I? It's
Bless
me,
Charles Martinet.
Wario. And it's finally ready. A brand new game from my company.
Don't worry, Wario's the best at underpaying his staff,
To
guys.
control me.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me at all.
Time
The Switch was made for this stuff.
Look at me go.
Oh,
Whack, rats. Check out these.
Ash.
This is an instant buy. Oh, so you like play as them.
They have
Oh, okay.
wonderful new talents.
That's a cool way to like, instead of making smooth moves too.
Not
Yeah.
bad. Use the spinning.
Because I thought it would just be literally just smooth moves.
Nailed it. Same micro game.
Oh, that's cool.
Wah, I almost forgot some big news.
Oh, two-player.
At the same time.
Same time. So play nice.
Sabotage the other player the whole time.
Eh? Not nice. All right, you. Yes,
Oh my god, it's just as weird as I hoped.
Better get ready for some micro game mayhem. Wah!
September!
Together,
WarioWare Get It
nice.
Together game
Nice.
launches exclusively on the Nintendo Switch system September 10th.
That's a
Pre-order
highlight.
I've been
today
fed.
on
I've
Nintendo
been
eShop.
fed.
What you just saw was the trailer for Wario.
He's excited about it,
Get
dude.
It Together. In the latest installment of this series, there are new micro
I'm ready for that HD rumble on this game.
Oh my god, the HD Rumble is gonna like
There's also a two-player
enhance everything. I
co-op
already feel it
with
in my
greatly
kneecaps.
expanded gameplay. It's releasing in the near future, so stay tuned.
We almost had 1 million viewers on YouTube right now
Holy
on this
shit.
Look at
direct.
this.
What is this? Oh, SMT5!
SMT5?
Let's go, dude.
Luke has been waiting like 7 years for this.
Student living in Tokyo.
Voice
Your life
acting?
is fairly normal.
More than 2 seconds of footage?
I know. Like English voice acting, that's what surprised me.
But that reality is upended. After you
They
get
promised it
pulled
was on the way.
to a different
Yep.
dimension.
Hopefully we get an actual release date today.
Hopefully. People have been waiting so long for
It gives
this
me
game.
like Nocturne vibes, like the Vortex world.
Another Tokyo.
You're saying it doesn't give you Persona 5 vibes?
Apocalyptic
No.
world
Oh,
where angels
that's a
and
new design that
demons
both of them are.
reside.
I told you, man, they're feeding everyone. The casual
Yeah.
party players, the weebs, the...
Suddenly,
Oh,
you fuse with a mysterious figure, gaining the power to fight demons. What lies
Oh, wow.
ahead in this alternate realm?
that's different.
Who the heck is
The world
this?
is now transformed into a sprawling, demon-infested
Okay.
wasteland. Though friendly demons do exist,
Tsuchigumo.
many are hostile.
What
And
was
will
Nocturne the last
destroy
console SMT?
Harness your newfound powers to fight
mm,
demons using a
was it?
command-based system.
I guess if you consider Tokyo Mirage Sessions, then
Targeting it,
Right.
Okay.
consecutive actions
Right, they're
you
explaining
perform in a
press
combo
turn.
will increase.
Magatsuki, this is like Nocturne.
Though demons are formidable opponents,
I am so sorry to your wallet,
you may
Luke.
be able to
I know.
recruit them via negotiations.
This guy,
I say that, but like I want to try this too.
Conversation with them.
Suiki and Cerberus. I saw Absars earlier and Pyrojack. Although I don't know if they called him Jack Lantern or Pyrojack. Moloch.
If a
Yes.
I was looking at the roster.
demon will be
I just want to see who all is in the game. I hope the Moirai sisters are in the game.
In some cases, by rejecting a demon's request, they may feel
God,
motivated.
finally some goddamn food for us.
There's Mandrake.
Demons that do join will
Look at that
fight
UI.
alongside you
It
and
looks
grow
so clean, dude. It has the same type of affinity skills as SMC4
Another
Apocalypse.
demon can be
Fusion, of
created.
course.
Guapo.
The newly fused demon's innate abilities will vary.
Jack
boy.
Frost,
You
it's the
a
boy.
powerful ally, customized to your needs.
He looks so shiny.
I actually kind of like the protagonist design. It's weird. It's not what I expected, but it's cool.
I'm here for it.
World
Is that
by
Loon?
harnessing the power of your own.
That's a new design. I haven't seen that
Destiny
before.
you choose.
November.
November
Shin Megami Tensei
12th.
5 will launch exclusively on Nintendo Switch.
There you
on
go.
November 12th.
I'm so excited.
Pre-orders for the physical
Dude,
version
2021 just
first.
stacked the hell
I
up.
know.
We still
That was
have
the
like
latest trailer
15
for
minutes.
Shin Megami Tensei 5 from Atlas.
I need to like this really
This is the
quickly.
newest game in the series.
Like the video.
Please look forward to future.
Don't look at
Almost a
chat.
My
Let's see a
God.
few more Nintendo Switch.
What's next? I can't take it anymore. Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
In despair.
You gotta be kidding me! I thought I was free! I marathoned these games back in 2017. I thought I was done. No! God damn it.
Oh my
3
gosh.
games in the deadly Danganronpa series are coming to
No!
Nintendo Switch.
Play Ace Attorney first. Please, I'm begging you.
Monokuma, the self-proclaimed school headmaster, has trapped you and other high
These
school
games,
students.
oh boy, we have a history with these games, don't we,
That's so
Luke?
funny to me.
Unfortunately,
Yeah.
the only way out of the
We have a
story
history
and
with
this
these
lethal
games.
game is to betray the other
Yes.
students. And so it
Boilers! Okay.
Have been discovered.
I'm not rebuying them. I'm not rebuying them.
You're the culprit, aren't you, Mia?
I already have them on PS4. I'm not
Use the
rebuying them.
evidence you've gathered to refute contradictions and find the guilty parties.
This font is different.
Oh yeah.
What the heck?
What's that outfit?
Yeah, he's got a... What in the world?
The board game from Danganronpa.
They expanded the board game RPG?
Standalone game. Danganronpa S.
Oh my god.
An
Taka.
all-star cast of
The
characters
Switch has
from the
everything.
series will come together to battle at a tropical resort. Who's the strongest of them all in this
Oh my
ultimate beach
god.
Oh no.
The 4-game
Dude.
collection Danganronpa Decade launches as a physical exclusive on Nintendo Switch.
I'm kind of baffled, honestly.
All 4 games will also be.
Oh, they're not selling them in a
Okay.
collection. Get wrecked.
Low-key gonna buy the beach simulator.
Fatal
We
Frame?
know you're not afraid of ghosts.
Hope you're not afraid of ghosts.
Now listen, I'm a scaredy cat, but I've heard good things about this franchise. Will I play it? Probably not, but do I appreciate that Fatal Frame is still alive? I do.
The ethereal but deadly Mount Hikari.
I am a giant chicken.
To be at the center of
We didn't make you play it, Brando.
Ghosts frequent this mountain.
Fatal Frame on the friend train, here it
Camera
comes.
that can repel and cast them out.
Dara, you need to stop right there.
Face your fears as you explore a variety of unsettling locations.
It's true though, Monokuma can be in Smash now.
This spine-chilling story features
No, you
various
cannot. The fighter pass is
protagonists who
canceled.
experience the game from different perspectives. New costumes and photo modes are included in this version. Can you investigate Mount Hikari?
I like how the guy talks quieter during this.
Fatal
Frame is
Maiden of Black Water creeps onto
This year they
Nintendo's
promise,
Switch
alright?
Okay.
Animal Crossing updates,
this year.
please?
Coming soon.
Please,
Some
please.
even today.
Well, is this Doom?
Doom.
Doom.
Yeah.
Your war is not
They
over.
announced that DLC a
Praise
long
Hell
time
in
ago.
The first campaign expansion for Doom Eternal, The Ancient Gods Part 1.
Mario Kart 8 DLC. Oh my god.
Deeper and more challenging combat awaits.
I mean, I would be fine with
as you
it.
eliminate Hell's newest threats in demon-infested ruins and rain-swept terrain. The fate of the cosmos is in your hands.
Still have
Get
10
slayed
minutes.
when this campaign expansion launches.
What else
on
do
Nintendo
they
Switch
have?
later today.
Tony Hawk.
Tony Hawk. I want to play these games so
I've heard
bad. but I don't know if I'm gonna play it on
Remastered in
Switch.
HD.
Yeah, I've heard so many good things about this game. I don't think I'd play it myself. It doesn't look like my type of game, but that's good.
Turning pro.
Shout out to the fans. They got back the original OST, like all the licensed songs.
And compete locally or online to show
You don't
off
see
your
that happen
skills against
often
other skaters.
with remasters and
Drop
stuff.
in to Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2, launching on Nintendo.
I know
Switch
AB
in
likes these
2020.
games.
Pre-orders are available now on Nintendo eShop.
I have not heard of this one, I don't
I've
think.
not heard of this
Technically,
one.
The Witch Queen has risen from the dead, and only one group of heroes.
I think
can
Matt
stop
left.
her. The Strange Brigade. In this
Whoops.
thrilling adventure, you'll blast.
Oh, he's
through
back
an
online.
army
Probably
of
internet.
monstrosities
Okay.
while solving
Welcome
puzzles
back.
and booby-trapped
Hello.
dungeons. Go it alone.
Don't
or
worry, you didn't miss
with other
anything.
daring
Yeah.
adventurers in local wireless
My
co-op
internet said
and
take a break
online
from
play.
Tony Hawk.
That Tony Hawk was it is too much to handle.
When Strange Brigade launches on Nintendo Switch later.
The one thing I'm afraid of is that they don't show something Zelda, which I don't mind, but
Yeah,
I feel like
know
people
Twitter.
will freak out. I didn't see
Dude,
the trailer
the original
for
Mario and
Mario
Rabbids
his friends
hit.
will team up with the
I
Rabbids
loved
once
it way
again to
too
restore
much.
order to the galaxy. Our heroes
This made
must
me
stop
so
them.
happy.
Luma Rabbit.
And now
You're
they're sucking
joking,
up
right?
to one of my favorite games, Mario Galaxy.
This is the proper Mario Galaxy 3 you've been waiting for.
Rabbid Rosalina joins them. Wait, is she
They better show real Rosalina, please.
Explore planets filled with quirky
She's like a
residents
post-game
and
character or
secrets.
something.
And in this
Bowser's not the
breathtaking
villain, so I hope he makes an
genre,
appearance later.
Our heroes can run freely.
He's
around
on the
battlefield,
poster, so I want to know
creating new
what he's
strategic
doing.
and chaotic
I would love to see him get like a crazy, like Bowser with a Glock.
with a little Wait, who's that?
Oh, Mario.
Well, one thing's certain. This is gonna be
You
one
bet
heck
your
of a
sweet
galactic
bippies it is.
adventure. Mario plus Rabbids
Okay,
sparks
2025.
a hope into space or
Selena's
onto Nintendo
dead.
Switch next year.
This is, I think it's,
No way!
what's this?
I think it might be
Oh.
Advance Wars.
It is.
Wow. I've always
That
wanted to
surprised
play
me.
this. I've always wanted to play this. Your tank on tank action.
I don't know, he's from the original Advance Wars.
This was a huge
Is
GBA
this like
game
a
that I missed out
remaster?
on. Yeah. It looks really cute.
I've seen him before.
Wow, wow,
And
wow.
then
I know
Earth
people
too.
are going to be happy about this one. Oh no, Matt's internet, please, you gotta hang on to the end.
It's like 8 more minutes. We'll try.
Stories, memorable characters,
You gotta
and
survive.
vibrant gameplay are in store.
We still have to wait for Nintendo's classic One More Thing.
Yep. Which I think it might be Breath of the Wild too, but I don't know.
Play the first
might
two
be.
Or like something
campaigns
Zelda.
in Advance Wars 1+2 Reboot
I'm holding
Camp.
on to that
Launching onto
remastered
Nintendo
collection.
Switch
That could just
Okay.
be the HD
Pre-orders
collection.
begin today on Nintendo eShop.
Oh my god, Nintendo tweeted a collection has been discovered, Luke. I'm gonna kill someone.
Alright. The next segment will be our last
Oh,
Wait, we're at the end? There's 7 minutes. Does that mean it's
It's gonna
Zelda
be.
time?
It's probably Zelda. It's a big announcement. Yep.
It's only the Zelda DLC.
So that's Age of Calamity.
I knew this.
don't
I knew this
think-
would pop up.
I don't think this is gonna be everything though.
Dude, my bingo card is like almost full at this point.
People will be very upset if this is the last thing they show.
What do you mean, guys? This is Breath of the Wild 2.
And yeah, it is.
What the heck is that one? I played this game over the holiday season. It was pretty fun. I just wish it ran at more than 1 frame a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very fun, but you gotta play it in doses, because it gets repetitive, right?
Yeah. There's Urbosa.
It was fun, though. I might get the expansion. Although, I gotta think about my poor fingers, dude.
Right.
Alright, alright. Yeah, I knew that would
Thank
show
you
up.
for watching.
We're here to announce that the
There's
Breath of the Wild
Aonuma.
sequel has been canceled.
Hello there. I'm Eiji Aonuma.
Let's see what he
producer of the Legend of
says.
Zelda series. What you've just seen is a trailer for the first wave of DLC for the Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity expansion pass from Koei Tecmo Games. It will follow Link and his allies through more battles that took place 100 years prior to the events of The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I hope you'll look forward to it.
Skyward Sword.
Few more. Okay, I thought it was only 1 or 2. Skyward Sword, right?
Yep.
Zelda Skyward
Ballad
Sword
of the Goddess.
game, which
Can we get some more like info, please?
Hear him.
You'll immerse yourself in the role of Link by using 2 Joy-Con
With button controls,
for
people got no
intuitive
excuse to
motion
not play
controls,
this now.
or by playing in handheld mode, wielding the sword via flicking the stick and button only.
I hope you can do that outside of handheld mode.
This game depicts
Yeah, they keep showing the
Legend of
tablet.
Zelda series, the story of how it all began.
It wouldn't surprise me if Nintendo does that, where it's only handheld, where you can use button controls.
Why?
Oh, and then
did
Twitter, you won't hear the end of it.
Legend
Yep.
for future generations. These will
Good
all
story
be
though. I like the
Yeah.
story of this game.
I love this game, dude.
We hope
There's still no quality of life changes, huh?
It's like, would I really pay $60 for it, though? Yes, I would. As much as I hate to admit it.
Next up,
Hey, Zelda Game & Watch for the anniversary.
here's a little something you might like. This is
They made a
commemoration
Mario one
that
last
lets
year.
You play 3 games
Oh, that's
in
cool.
the Legend of Zelda
Yeah, I
series.
got it for Christmas.
This year,
I
the
like it.
It's a
original
nice
Zelda
little,
game
Me
reaches
too,
its
Star. I
35th
want Wind
anniversary.
Waker.
While we don't have any campaigns or other Nintendo Switch games planned,
Oh, it's
We've been
a-
working on this instead of Breath of the
a
Wild
special
sequel.
item to
Right.
mark the occasion and reflect fondly on the earliest days
That's cool.
of the Legend of Zelda.
21.
Can you play the entire ass game?
Yeah?
It will come
Looks like
with
it.
The first game in the series, The Legend of
Oh,
Zelda,
and 2.
Zelda 2, The Adventure of Link,
Oh, Link's Awakening.
Wow.
That's right.
and the Game Boy version of The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening game.
I want to see someone speedrun it on that little screen.
version of the Game & Watch title Vermin, starring Link.
Look, guys, it's the Zelda collection. Everyone.
Yeah, it's like Zelda. Is it
longer Legend of
Collector's
Zelda
Edition?
games to the
Maybe this is the beginning of their anniversary plans.
Yeah.
Starting with this
In
and then
addition,
moving on.
Regarding the watch functionality for the Game & Watch system, we've added a playable clock based on the
That's a
Legend of
cool
Zelda,
collector's item.
Yeah.
and an interactive.
I played Zelda 2
After
earlier this
Zelda
year,
2,
I
The
think.
Adventure
God,
of
that
Link.
game is hard, but it was cool.
You can play with both of them. by
That's a
taking
cool little
photos
extra
of them.
thing. Might as well, right?
Right.
I'm not gonna get this,
We hope
but
you'll enjoy playing this.
good
Game
for
& Watch
whoever
system.
does.
Guys, ready for my speed run of Zelda Game & Watch?
All right, here's the
Last thing.
we have to show you. This.
There it is.
Okay,
The
yep.
Legend of Zelda Breath
No
of the
Wind
Wild.
Waker Star.
2
We
years
suffer.
have passed since
Aww.
we first announced this game.
But it's
and
okay.
We've been unable to share anything with you in that time. However,
The
development
pandemic,
has
people,
been
the
steadily
pandemic,
progressing.
but they're back on track.
Today, we've prepared some new footage
There
to
you
show
go.
a bit
This
more
little
of the
cheap
game.
Twitter
Please take a
quiet
look.
for a bit.
I'm down for any crumbs of this
And I'm
game.
excited too. Yeah, I like Breath of the Wild 1. It's spooky. Brando, I don't think you're good at horror games. Are you sure you want to play this?
Shut up! I can handle Zelda. Although Zelda enemies do scare
Oh
me.
no, Zelda died.
Is this where she gets the haircut?
Yeah, she fell into a demon tower like Riku and got her hair cut. What the heck?
Where the hell are... It's Skyward Sword!
Right? I'm like, what the heck? Dude, this looks so cool.
It looks like Greek almost.
Not what I was expecting. Hello.
What the hell happened to Hyrule?
Bokoblin's on his stone talus.
Stasis is back.
Oh, get owned.
You got a flamethrower?
Whoa.
Can you imagine the speedrunning with that phase through item?
You? Did Hyrule Castle go into space?
I'm a fan of the distorted music. Oh my god, it's Mario Galaxy.
It did.
It's like Majora's Mask. The sequel has to be edgy.
Hey, I'm fine with that.
Me too.
Zelda's Lullaby. The first part of it. Who knows,
Looking-
maybe they will show something else. I doubt it, but
Next year, yeah.
2022?
I
Okay.
knew it wouldn't come this year.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting sometime next year. Hey, that's fine by me.
So, what did you think? This time around, the setting for the adventure has been expanded to include the skies above Hyrule.
That's fine, that's fine. People finally got a taste.
We're aiming for a 2022 release.
I said aiming, so it might even be delayed past that, but hopefully not.
Yeah, we'll see how they're doing.
Are they doing the one more thing?
That's all for this Nintendo Direct.
There's still time.
We are diligently continuing development on a number of other games we didn't show.
I'm gonna keep my eye. I'm not gonna watch the whole treehouse. I might keep it on the background in case they have surprises.
On Nintendo
Yeah.
Switch.
I don't think they'll do one more thing, but if they do, cool. Yeah, I don't think they're doing it.
No.
Who would have thought that Nintendo, of all people, would be the one company not to do a and one more thing,
one more
guys.
thing.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
That is fine by me, dude.
I enjoyed that. There's a lot of games in there I'm going to pick up.
Bowser!
Bowser! Mr. Diggity Dug Bowser.
Nate Bildorf. Ganondorf.
But yes, that'll end the reaction here for us. We're not going to sit for the entire 3-hour Treehouse Live.
Yeah. I have things to do. I have to go to work in an hour. So
I'll keep my eyes peeled. I can say that was a pretty solid direct. I feel like they tried their best to have games for everyone. RPG fans, action fans, you know, party games. WarioWare and Mario Party are very welcome in my book. Nocturne, SMT5 finally. They showed a lot of good stuff. I'm looking forward to hearing more in the future. And hopefully you guys enjoyed our reaction, because that was pretty stuffed.
I enjoyed it.
That was fun. That was fun. Now to go look at everyone reacting to it as well.
I was like, time to watch other people react to it.
Time to watch everyone else yell about it. Also, the last thing I can say is rest in peace, Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy having one summer item for your furniture. I know I'm in pain. Thanks for watching.